Okay, this is a quick video to show the spool join feature, which is not as intuitive as I would expected it to be. If you upload the print through Prusa link, then you can't use the spool join apparently. So I just uploaded the print, and then I'll go to print, and I'll pick the one I want to print. You'll get to look at it, and then there's a icon up here. You do continue. Now this is the unintuitive part, because you're like, oh, just print. Well, no, you got to go up, turn the dial to here, click that, then you go down to this, and it's going to ask you if you want to replace it or if you want to do a spool join. Spool join and print. So I have two rolls of filament that are identical. As you can see, there's just a little bit left on that one. Probably not enough to finish the print, so I got another spool ready to go. And then what this should do is it should print as much of that first roll as it can, and then when it runs out of that, then it should switch to the second one. So we'll see how the print turns out at the end. Okay, we're getting close to the time. As you can see, there's not much left on that spool. So we'll see what happens. See if it's a feature that I can trust in the future, or if I'm better off just letting the filament run out and replace it. Really close now. Down to like one more loop on the roll. First question is does it come off the roll cleanly? Which probably should. We're about to find out. off the roll. It's got a little bit of a hook on the end of that filament, but it should be, I'm guessing the extruder will be strong enough to pull it through on that. And then the side sensor should trigger. Is it gonna fail? Oh, it sensed it. And nothing on the screen. So now it's probably heating up the other one. It'll probably pick that tool. I don't know if it had it at an idle temperature or not. Once this changes and I see what it does, then I'll go ahead and just stop it and print the new design. So yeah, based on how long it's taking, I'm guessing that other extruder was sitting it cold. So I wonder what it's gonna do. It's at temp, so what's it doing? It's oh, interesting. It's extruding out the back near my cup. Okay, that's cool. So it extruded and then it went up in the back, kind of weird, which would have fallen on the inside of the printer, but and then it docked itself again to wipe, and then it continued on. I'm impressed, because now we're working off of spool number 2. Well, as you can see, it did a pretty good job of the filament changing. The amount of time it took was because it had to heat up the other extruder, because it had no idea how long it was going to take before it ran out, so it keeps it cold. There's no reason having it running. And having those little buckets there actually worked out pretty good, because it just, I don't know, let's see if we can get a, I don't know if we can, printer keeps getting in the way. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, but maybe not, but it basically extruded right into that little bucket. Otherwise it would have went into the bottom of the printer, and it docked itself again to clean itself off to make sure that there was no oozing, and then it just picked right up where it would have left off, as if it had never stopped. I'm quite happy with that. And now that is a feature I will be more than happy to trust. Alright, well that's it. Thanks for watching.